Central air conditioning cleaning robot. Cleaning needs for ventilation systems in large panels. Patented equipment independently developed by the k9 brand. A dust removal robot that integrates dust removal and vacuuming exploration videos. All-round dust removal and cleaning. 360-degree three-dimensional dust removal composed of 3 axles combination of body tower brush and robotic arm. The whole process of cleaning is remotely controlled. Comes with high-definition industrial-grade camera. The body is set up as a high chassis crawler off-road structure. The internal obstacles and high hurdles of the air duct can be easily passed. It is equipped with a microcomputer control system with independent intellectual property rights of the body material is made of stainless steel. Corrosion-resistant, durable and reliable. The control box integrates control and surveillance video. Comes with an HD screen. The dual joystick can control various states of the body. It can easily cope with all types of air ducts. It can also be used with the k9 and k9 vacuum cleaners of the k9 brand. Next, let's take a closer look. How to operate and use our robot. The overall structure of the k9 console. Use the form of a suitcase. High mobility. Set up an emergency stop device. Power indicator. This is the joystick that controls the body. We can see it from the display. The body is controlled by a joystick to change direction. This is the main power switch. This is the track-driven control switch of the body. This is the switch between the dust removal brush and the tower circuit. This is a touch mouse. Glides smoothly. The lower part is the same as the left, center, and right mouse button. Aim at the blank space of the screen. Right-click to bring up the system's advanced menu. To directly double-click on the mode that can operate the screen. There is a USB port on the upper right side of the console. I can export the video at the time of the cleaning. The power cord has a slot to prevent mismating. Plugging into a socket requires a good alignment of the slot before it can be inserted. The source wire can be screwed into the threaded fixture. The console is 30 volts. Next to the power outlet, it is the data line socket that controls the robot. It is a k9 data cable. The robot's control power supply. The image transmission is based on this data line. So we need to be careful when using it. The data cable is also equipped with an anti-miss insertion card slot. We need a data cable interface to the rear of the robot's body. Due to the large number of data cable pins, the friction of the socket is relatively large. It is necessary to push forward from a while inserting. Once the data cable is connected, we need to connect the vacuum pipe. We start with the vacuum cleaner plugged in the other end of the vacuum pipe of the k9 cable. Duct to the vacuum inlet of our robot. The vacuum pipe is already included a special interface for docking with k9 robots. We only need to be between the suction port and the suction pipe. The spacer. Lock the retaining clasp. That's it. That's what the k9 pipeline connection is all about. Let's take a closer look at the parts of the robot. Here we know the rear camera. There is also an illuminated rear LED light. There is a pair of high-gloss LED lights on the tower. The front camera is mounted at the top of the tower. The lines of the tower are all protected by armor. It has a good sealing property against dust and water. The tower has excess armor behind it. The front part of the body is on a rotating brush platform. A pair of anti-corrosion rollers are installed on the left and right. A pair of anti-corrosion rollers are installed on the left and right. There is also a checking device for crossing the turtle in the front section of the brush platform. In the center of the bottom of the brush platform is the dust collection part. In the center of the bottom of the brush platform is the dust collection part. Tail suction part to the body. Dust is removed by a vacuum cleaner. All main brushes are easily replaceable. The handle of the main brush has a heat dissipation hole. It can assist the motor to work for a long time. There are safety armrests on the side of the body. The tracks are hand magnetic. Let's put it to the test. Well, this is our extremely fast dust removal robot. Details of k9. Thank you for watching.